I don't post because I don't have the camera. This is, my friend, the lamest excuse because you have a camera. I'm convinced you have a camera and maybe you have a better camera for starting than the one I have in my hand. And I know why you don't post videos. Because you are scared. I'm scared too, and I post a video. Even if I'm filming with a camera. But you can start with a smartphone as well. You can start very powerfully with a smartphone. I took some notice, so I want to mention New Love Meetings by Barbara Seghezzi and Marcello Mencarini. That was a remake of Comizi d'amore by Pierpaolo Pasolini. Love Meetings, it was a documentary, very old, it was black and white. I think it was published in 1964, if I don't remember. I don't remember well. Anyway, this was shot in 2005 with a Nokia N90. Do you remember that? Tangerine by Sean Baker, shot with 3 iPhone 5S in 2015, I think. But anyway, I put some of this stuff in the description. And maybe one of the best is Unsane by Steven Soderbergh in 2018 with an iPhone 7S. And I want to point out that we are in 2025 and all the smartphones are far more powerful than the phones that they were used to shoot these full feature films, short films, a gazillion of documentary. So actually you can make art with a smartphone, not only YouTube. I want to point at you even two creators. One is Emma Chamberlain, that she has a very basic aesthetic and she uses a Canon M50, and a Handycam. And she is very basic aesthetic, but she has more than 12 million subscribers on YouTube. And another guy is Neistat, that I'm using a Canon 70D for shooting my videos. That is an ancient camera that he was using that too, and he used for starting his channel this very same camera and a lot of basic equipment. So I don't want to put myself with these two very big creators, but equipment is not enough. You can't do only with equipment. So everybody who buys a real Alexa camera makes good content because he has a top-end camera. It's not this way. My friend, in my studio, if you want to call studio, this is my kitchen and my dining room. I use a Canon 70D for filming my videos. But I tell you, with a smartphone, I have an Android smartphone. You may have quality, and quantity is you don't have to buy anything to start. Anyway, if you just want to spend your hard-earned money buy a microphone, but if you are close enough, it has a decent audio as well. So you don't need to buy anything to start, just what you have in your pocket. And I want to show you the footage I had with my camera and my smartphone. I think I have shown you that you can get a decent footage by not the top tier smartphone. So I think you can start posting videos even if you have just a smartphone. I hope I see what you're posting, and if you want to share this trip with me as becoming an internet celebrity, subscribe to my channel. It is free. Bye, and see you in the next video.